2007 Toyota Highlander, two-wheel drive, one owner, with 34,000 miles. Yes, 34,000 miles. Brand new tires, brakes, alloy wheels, running boards, third row seating, moonroof. In impeccable condition. And yes, 34,000 original miles. Yes, one owner. Needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Fog lights. Tires are brand new all the way around. Moonroof. Everything works on the vehicle as expected. Power seat, power windows, locks and mirrors, cruise control. Original floor mats, keys, manuals. 34,049 miles at the time of this video. JBL sound. Third row seating. (2007) Toyota Highlander, one owner, 34,000 original miles, in pristine condition.